All right, boys. What's good with y'all, boys? Today we took a short on US 30 and we took a fucking L. And I'm gonna go over it for you guys, but I'm also gonna go over something else after the video or after my trade the trade recap, right? So let's just go over this real quick for you, boys. So boom, pretty simple, right? Um, I have top level based off this right here and this close high right here, and then bottom level is pretty obvious based off this high, this low right here, and then this obvious wick, all these highs, whatnot. But you guys get the point. You guys get the gist, right? Essentially, what happens is market opens and we come down, we push past our level a little bit, and then we flip, and then we start going up, right? Yeah, I think I can show you guys the whole trade on the 1 minute. Thankfully, yeah. So 8:30, boom, we get that push past our level, boom. That's step one, push past our level. Okay, we come up, we retrace. When we get that retrace, candle comes all the way up, sweeps out these 1 minute lows, even sweeps out this 5 minute high. I mean, 1 minute highs. You guys know what I mean. 5 minute highs, 1 minute highs, whatever. Breaks, comes, retraces, sweeps liquidity, comes back down. Boom, we get our second. We get our second push off this wick, and it looks like TP, right? But let me show you guys the 5 second. Let me show you guys the 5 second. So 5 second chart, boom. This was that initial break, right? So market opens, boom, we get that push, retrace, come back down, enter off this wick right here. And then, I mean, the rest is history. You guys see it. So boom, we come back down, we get that second push, and then we immediately come right back up, stop me out, and then immediately come right back down and hit my TP. So yeah, that was today's trade, boys. I guess you could say I'm on a losing streak because this is the second day I've lost. So yesterday I took Nasdaq. It did some bullshit like that too. Um, Nasdaq today came up, broke our level, so I added this top level. This now became a middle level, and then we whipped out this fair value gap and we started to push. A lot of people took this. A lot of fucking people took this. I didn't take it because there's no like retrace or second push. People just took it off of this flip and turn and push. I don't like playing that aggressive. I like playing break. I like playing basically break and retest, right? I like to see my confirmation, right? And I guess that hurt me today. But this is my trade, A plus setup for me. Followed all my rules. Everything was perfect. And I want to talk to you guys about how I handle a losing streak or how I handle a back-to-back loss as an up-and-coming profitable day trader. Um, it's literally as simple as just like obviously once your emotions are out of the game, you can look at this stuff very, 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 very logically, and you just simply understand how probabilities work because that's what trading is, right? So all trading is probabilities, right? And essentially, the probability that we do some bullshit like this tomorrow is extremely slim, right? The strategy doesn't have a 100% win rate. No strategy does. So you just have to understand if you take your A plus model and it is A fucking plus, it ticks every single box you need to enter the market, then the outcome literally does not fucking matter. Yeah, it sucks to lose 2 days in a row, but what's more important is the fact that I'm following my model to the fucking T, literally fucking perfectly. And um yeah, that's really it, bro. Like tomorrow if I lose, okay. Literally okay. As long as I take my A plus model setup that has that proven probability, I'm good. Time will play out and I will win these trades. It's just how the market works. It's literally how this shit works. Now, if you're not taking A plus setups and you're taking these bullshit setups and you're losing, then you don't know what really like probability you're trading and you know what I mean? But yeah, the probabilities are very slim tomorrow. It just increases, increases, increases. And obviously it can't do this bullshit forever, right? This is rare. And that's literally it. Like I always say this, trading is so simple, it's hard. A lot of times, an old me, bro, like if I had this double losing day, I'd be looking like I'd be looking so deep into like what I did wrong, and then I would try and like change the way I trade the next day to like force Like, bro, like even if I had a bigger stop loss on this shit, I would have had to have like like it just doesn't even make fucking sense. It's not even a fucking right. It's not even a proper RR, you know? So I just understand that my everything was perfect. I did nothing wrong technically. I mean, obviously I did something wrong by trading US 30. I could have traded Nasdaq. Obviously, there's always a way to avoid a loss, but however, in this in my trade, everything was perfect. So I don't need to worry about anything. I just need to let probability play out and fully detach my mind from this shit. And that's how you become profitable, guys, by the way, is doing that. But yeah, that's it for you. That's it for you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, ski, when we get a W. How much you want to bet I get a W tomorrow? How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet tomorrow's a W? Because the probability of Nasdaq or US 30 doing some bullshit tomorrow is very fucking slim. You know? So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God loves you guys, and peace.